In this video we are going to see, what is CPU in PLC? Don't skip the video. This is CPU module in PLC. You can easily find the CPU module in PLC systems. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is defined as a specialized computer for executing the control program and coordinating the operation of other elements within the PLC system. 1. Control program execution. The CPU runs the user-created control program, which is typically developed using ladder logic, function block diagrams, structured text, or other programming languages supported by the PLC. 2. Data processing. The CPU performs calculations, comparisons, and other data processing tasks necessary for implementing control algorithms specified in the control program. 3. Communication handling. Many PLCs feature communication capabilities for interfacing with other devices or systems, such as human-machine interfaces, HMIs, supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA, systems, or other PLCs. The CPU manages communication protocols, data exchange, and networking functions. 4. Input and output handling. The CPU processes signals received from input modules, interprets them according to the control program logic, and generates output signals to drive output modules. It coordinates the exchange of data between the PLC and external devices connected to its I/O, input/output, modules. 5. System monitoring and diagnostics. The CPU monitors the overall system operation, checks for errors or faults, and executes diagnostic routines to detect and troubleshoot issues within the PLC system. It may provide status information and alarms to alert operators about abnormal conditions. 6. Real-time control. The CPU operates in real time, meaning it responds to input signals and executes control tasks with minimal delay, ensuring timely and accurate control of industrial processes or machinery.